Hello everyone, my name is Bahadur Raya and I am from Sundar Haraicha, Nepal. This is my final project for CS50 Python named My Supermarket Software. Let us run this software. It says to enter email or quit to quit the program. Let us type some random thing. It says that this is an invalid email address. Let us type one of the emails provided in this stuff database.txt file. I'll type fake@gmail.com and it asks for password, and here is a list of options that I can choose. Let's just type out of limit anything like 87, 78. Haha. It says to enter a valid choice. Let us type 1, and it says to display the products. Let us type 1, and here is a list of products. Let's go to the main feature of this program, that is calculating the bill item. Let us type 3, and it says to enter the name of customer, and one of the premium customer is David J. Malon, and enter item. I have to enter one of the items from this list in order to calculate the bill. Let's just type onion, and it says to enter quantity. I'll type 56. Another item. Let's type something out of the list. It says that the item is not found, and let us type apple, quantity 56 again, or anything random like 52, and I'll type quit, and here is my bill. As David is a premium customer with platinum membership, he receives a discount of 20%. And this is my final project. Thank you.